Nityanandam, everyone. My name is Ma Nitya Yogananda Swami. I'm a sannyasi of the Nityananda order. And today I'll continue this session, the series of why sannyas, and sharing a little bit of my own personal experience about sannyas. I've had several conversations and questions asked from some people about sannyas. When the topic of sannyas comes, somehow it ignites a little bit of a fear factor in some people. And I was curious to know what is actually that fear that people are having when we speak about sannyas. Hi Tony, welcome, good to see you. Thanks to everyone who's joining us live. So speaking about sannyas, Nityanandam, Prakash Krish, Nityanandam. So expanding a little bit about sannyas. So on this conversation about this topic, when somebody told me that when they hear about sannyas, they have a certain fear. Asking a little bit more, what is exactly that fear that you're having? The person opened up and shared, somehow there's a fear of feeling that because my life is a failure, then only I'm taking sannyas. A fear of being judged or feeling that society will only see you, that you're taking sannyas out of failure and not because of success. And when I looked in, I said, this is exactly the opposite. Actually, for sannyas, it's always been felt that from success, whenever you find the completion, whenever you reach the success, only from that space the next thing can happen. So, even in terms of relationships, I remember in my own life, before even knowing that sannyas existed, before even considering sannyas, I had to experience so much completion in my relationships. And I've known also people who are trying to escape out of a very bad relationship and come into sannyas, run into sannyas. But sannyas doesn't happen for them. We have to please understand, we have to be very clear that sannyas is not a way to escape from any relationship. Sannyas is not an escapism mechanism to escape your terrible relationship. It is not. It is only out of pure completion, out of intense fulfillment, or it is like from success to more success. That's what I wanted to share in today's brief video. See, in my experience also, we know that there's some kind of like law, cosmic law, that only after you complete with something, then you're qualified to have it. Cosmos gives it to you. For example, if you're crying all the time for some specific experience, if you really want something, let me just think of a good example. I invite all of you to send your questions also live. I see that David Ramos, bienvenidas, Nityanandam. Vane Dasa has also joined, Alma Lopez, Prakash Nitya. All of you can send your questions about sannyas, because right now it's the topic about sannyas that I'm speaking about, and about specifically on relationships. That it is not, sannyas is not an escapism to relationship. It is not that you're having a failing relationship, then you can be qualified for sannyas. No. Sannyas is not for failure relationships. It is not at all. It is actually, once you achieve the completion with the relationship, then you're qualified for sannyas. That is how it happened in my life. And I've seen many times people who try to escape their relationships out of failure, out of some problems that are going on, they can never get sannyas. So it's only a decision. It's a matter of what you want. So I can say that even in so many aspects, only when you are completely, see, life will keep presenting to you situations that you need to complete until you complete them. So if we're constantly happening, like if something is happening recurrently that you need to complete with, that needs to be addressed. Only then we are qualified to move on to the next stage. So same thing with sannyas. Sannyas is the ultimate relationship. It is the peak, it's like the ultimate relationship where you and the source, Sadashiva, or God, or cosmos, whatever way you can relate to it right now, where you and him become one. There's no separate existence anymore. So it is the peak of completion of relationship. It is the ultimate completion of relationship. It is such a beautiful path. So it can only happen out of completion, from completion to completion. I don't want to say, oh, only people who are completely complete, only they are qualified for sannyas. It's a decision. If you want sannyas, completion will happen. Or completion will happen, sannyas will happen. Either way, it is bound to happen if that is what you want. But I just wanted to clarify specifically that point. The fear factor that arises in some people when they're speaking about sannyas, the fear of being judged, or the fear of saying, I'm a failure in life, that's why I have to go towards sannyas. Please understand, I want to make it very clear. Sannyas is not at all a path for people who have failed. It is not a path for the people who have been rejected of life. It is only for those who have the courage to stand. It is only those who have tasted success and are really ready to experience the ultimate success of life, the ultimate realization. It takes a lot of courage to take sannyas. It takes a lot of determination. It takes a lot of will persistence. It takes a lot of completion to be in the path of sannyas. Because it is it's basically putting yourself in the fire of purification. It's an intense fire. That's why we wear this color. This color represents the fire of sannyas that is willing to just burn everything for us to realize the truth, for us to live, experience the purity, the ultimate possibility. That is sannyas. So I think that's all for now. Just wanted to share this briefly. Unless anyone has any questions, I can see a few more people have joined. One of my brother disciples has joined. Alma, what are the levels of sannyas? Si sannyas, Surya Prakasham, Nityananda Maya. Sima, Alma Lopez is asking, what are the levels of sannyas? Swamiji, sorry for the celebration is happening here in the background. So sannyas happens, yes, in levels, ma'am. Swamiji has beautifully revived the sannyas sampradaya exactly as Sadashiva explained in the Agamas. So we have the preliminary initiation into the path of sannyas, which is taking brahmacharyam. It's called Bhautika brahmacharyam. That is the first initial step towards sannyas. So by taking this initiation, you're taking the vows of sannyas, and you're being prepared. You're wearing the orange color robes, and you're living the 5 vows of sannyas, which is ahimsa, satya, asteya, aparigraha, and satya. I'll repeat: ahimsa, asteya, brahmacharyam, aparigraham, and satyam. All these 5 vows are lived by all of us. However, the inner space, as the more completion happens, as the training by the master happens, the beautiful flowering of sannyas starts happening, the being becomes more and more mature. Then you are eligible to go to the next step and take the Purna sannyas. Purna sannyas Purna means complete. The complete sannyas happens. The complete sannyas happens out of that deep completion, that deep courage, that deep ferociousness. So those are the levels of sannyas according to the Agamas. How do you explain sannyas to your family? That's a very good question. Actually, in the topic of sannyas, this is one of the most common questions that I get asked. It's like, how do you explain sannyas to your family? See, I come from a background that has no idea about Hinduism. I was born in Caracas, Venezuela, in a Catholic family, where even in my school and in my history classes, there was very little information mentioned about India or Hinduism whatsoever. So it was completely new to me and my whole family. It was not something in our culture. So the concept concept of sannyas is completely not in our peripheral of existence or cognition. So it is not something that you can easily explain and they can easily accept and understand. But I can say one thing. It is the completion that you carry about a truth, about a concept, will make people understand it. Out of that completion, it is like the moment that you decide for something, your family will slowly agree. For example, let's say all your family thought you were going to be a doctor, but you decided to become a lawyer because that is your intensity, that is your passion, that is what you want to do. They might not necessarily accept it right away because they always saw you as a doctor. They made all the investments in their life, in their beliefs, in all their plans were for you to be a doctor. But the moment you switch your career, you might not necessarily understand it right away. But because of your conviction, because of your clarity, because of your... Once you start tasting the success and they see that it is successful, then they gain the confidence and the clarity. Some completion happens in them. They give up the idea about being a doctor and they start seeing you as a lawyer, right? That's kind of like what happens in the outer world. Somehow similarly it happens with sannyas. It is the depth of my completion that made my family completely put so much effort from their side in order to stretch themselves to understand it. They didn't understand it right away. They might not even fully understand it right now, even though it's been now 4 years since I have taken Purna Sannyas. But deep inside of them, they know this is, I am living my life to the peak. I'm being authentic and integrated to my life. I am fulfilling my passion, my dream, my purpose. Because of that, they stretch themselves to understand. So I can say that it only based on your completion. If there was an ounce in me of doubt, confusion, or incompletion, it will sparkle in them a lot of insecurity, a lot of resistance, a lot of agitation, a lot of actions against what I'm doing. But because there's no scope for confusion, the clarity, the completion is clear. There's no space even for them to have any doubt. That level of completion had to happen for them to become settled, for them to become relaxed, for them to slowly get into the idea that sannyas is my life, sannyas is a possibility of life, and sannyas is such a beautiful life. Now they all, even though still the concept is not 100% digested, and at some point for some mothers and fathers it might never be and that is okay also. They will simply enjoy and celebrate the success. They will simply enjoy every moment. They're enjoying so much. They're feeling so blessed, so benefited because Swamiji is in their lives. Their lives are fulfilled. Swamiji is in their lives. They know so many miracles have happened in their lives. So many miracles have happened in my life. So they understand there's a beautiful level of completion that is there. Next question. Is the same, is used to be Krama Brahmacharya, but now it's Bhautika per Agama. Correct, ma. Ma Deva Devananda is correct. She's explaining the difference between Krama and Bhautika Brahmacharya. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share today. I see Claudia Bustillos has joined, my dear friend from Miami. Nityananda ma. So that's basically today's sharing. I just shared about sannyas. You can see this video again. Love you also, ma. Alma Perez and Alma Lopez and Claudia Bustillo. Love you guys so much. Please do watch the replay. I was just sharing about sannyas. But it is now time for me to continue. And thank you all so much for joining. Please let me know if you have more questions about sannyas. I'll be more than happy to share with all of you more about this. So do send your questions here about sannyas, your questions about sannyas, ideas about sannyas, incompletions about sannyas, fears about sannyas, anything that you might be going through. Do please share. I'll be more than happy to share with you from our side. And I can share also one more thing, that in my path, what has made it so extremely easy, so sweet, so spectacular, so awesome to be a sannyasi, is really living under the guidance of my guru in the form, in the human form. It really, like Swamiji says, no, there's a lot that we can do in terms of progressing spiritually and understanding. There's so much we can do, but at some point we need the guidance, we need the help. It has to be given. It has to be given by the Master. So by his grace, by his blessings, I'm able to share about this path of sannyas. I feel so grateful for the opportunity to have received sannyas directly from him, and by the grace, blessings and grace of Kalabhairava, that I'm able to share with all of you now also. So with deep gratitude to my Guru and to Kalabhairava for the opportunity to share about this beautiful path and this beautiful possibility about sannyas. I'll be opening also the space to share more about this. So let me know if you guys have any questions. And with this, I'll close today's session. Thank you for joining. Nityanandam. Bye.